Hello everyone. So today again we'll discuss one question from CAT 2020 slot 1. It's more related to mensuration. Let's directly move to the questions now. Correct. So it's given solid right circular cone of a height 27 meters is cut into two pieces along a plane parallel to its base at a height of 18 centimeters from the base. Now it's given 18 centimeters from the base, so we have a right circular cone available here. If the difference in the volume of the two pieces is 225, now this is an important one information. The difference is 225. The value of in cc of the original cone is how much? Right. So here I have a cone available, and let's see what are the informations available here. It's a cone available. Let's consider the height given altogether is nothing but 27 centimeter, and we have taken a cut at this point, right? And this height is nothing but 18 centimeter here, right? So now here I can say, if I have basically two right circular cones available, also two similar right circular cones are available. If I have the similar figures, we should know that if two similar figures are there, then if any of the length is in the ratio of L1 by L2, right, then my condition is the volumes of these will be in the ratio of L1 cube by L2 cube. Now this is an important part because this is the basic representation for the similar figures, right? So now what's happening in this case, if I have taken the cut, my figure is like this. Further, now you can identify that let's consider this part as cone A for the time being, and this complete as cone B, with the heights of these, as this complete height given is nothing but 27, and this complete is since this part is 18, so this part is supposed to be nothing but 9. So I can say the height of these two identical figures, I can say height of A and height of B, these two figures are in the ratio of 9 by 27, or else I can say it's in the ratio of 1:3. So my relation says that the volume of A and volume of B will be in the ratio of 1 cube by 3 cube, assuming that the heights are nothing but 1 and 3 here, also they are in the ratio of 1:27, right? So now according to this, if I'll work on this part, I can say, I'll just mark the figure, that volume of this figure A is 1 and volume of the complete one is nothing but 27. So I can say volume of A by the bottom part, this one, the volume, or else let's mark this thing. I'll just mark this thing with some numbers, that the volume of this part, assuming is nothing but 1, then the volume of this figure right, will be nothing but 26, as the overall volume is nothing but 27. So here these two will be in the ratio of 1 is to 26, assuming 1 and 26 itself. Now if I am assuming 1 and 26, the gap between them is nothing but 25, but I want the figure or the gap as, according to the question, it is supposed to be 225. So this is nothing but 9 times here. That means all the figures should be multiplied with 9. I'll multiply this with 9. I'll multiply this one with 9. That represents I should multiply this one with 9. That means the total volume now will be nothing but 27 into 9, or else that's nothing but 243, right? So 243 will be the value possible here, right? The other thing which you can do here is, as we know that the heights are in the ratio of 1 is to 3. If the height is in the ratio of 1 is to 3, there is a possibility that, or it's not the possibility, I know that the value will be in the ratio of 1 is to 27. So my figure should be somehow somewhere, or else my original value should be somehow somewhere related to this number 27. So let's see, any figure which is divisible by 27 here, that means it has to be divisible by 9 basically, right? So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. It can be ruled out possibly. Then 3 plus 2 plus 2, not divisible by 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3, it is divisible by 9. So 5 plus 6 plus 2, it's not divisible by 9, right? So possibly my answer should be nothing but 243. So I could have also utilized these kind of basic things to work on these questions. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us.